Hey guys, welcome back to this Trucking Life. Guys, I got bad news. 5 trucks just got blowed off the interstate. Northbound I65, just south of exit 240. Yeah, look, it's exit 240 there on I65. You know, they got the way station there. That's the first one when you're coming out of the Chicago area south on 65. This is where the Pilot, the Flying J, the Lion's Den is. And that new cold storage place is going up here. I don't know if that's Americold, but yeah, I stopped here quite a bit. Plus this truck stop here has tons of parking. I always like to park around there. So prayers for the drivers, man.